Schluter Systems offers all the components you use to build a KERDI shower in a kit form. You can see here from this particular box that this is a 32 by 60 with an offset drain. So let's take a look and see what's in this box. If you look down here, there's a photograph of all the components, and then they're listed over here. We're going to get a shower tray of a particular size. We're going to get some KERDI band, some KERDI, and that's enough KERDI to do a shower about this size here. We're going to get a drain, and it lists what kind of drain is in here, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. And then we get 2 shower curbs. So we're going to take a look at that. But before we do, Brian, you've got another box over here, a little bit different color, but it's the same kit. What's the difference?
Well, basically, this is another format that the suppliers could have in stock, and this is a shower kit without the KERDI drain. Makes it a little easier for the suppliers to stock all the different kits and all the different drains, so when the customer goes to pick up the product, they can get the drain and the kit that they want.
There you go. So let's take a look and see what's in the box here. I'll first get a little packing out of the way, and let's pull the drain out first. This is a KERDI drain, and there's other components in here. We'll take a look at those in a minute. This particular drain is a 2-inch plumbing fitting. It's PVC plastic, and then from this code right here, we can see that this is a brushed nickel anodized aluminum grate that's in this particular box. So that's the KERDI drain. Now here's the KERDI band. This is a 5-inch wide band, and this is the thinner material that KERDI band is. It's thinner than the KERDI. This is about 33 lineal feet of material, and this is going to be enough to do all our floor-to-wall connections and any butt seams that we might do, or wall-to-wall connections. So we've got the KERDI band in there. Thanks, Bryant. Also, you'll see that we have 2 curbs. You're going to get enough curb to do whatever shower footprint you have based on the tray size. So here's 2 48-inch long, 6-inch tall, 4.5-inch wide curbs that come in that kit. And then here's the KERDI. So this is a 108 square foot roll of KERDI that's in here. We've already done the figuring for you, so you know that this is going to be enough KERDI to cover this particular size shower footprint and the walls surrounding it. So that's all in there. Now, Bryant, you've got the box open for the drain. What do we got in there?
First thing you'll notice, there's these spacers, so if the drain has to be hooked up or connected before you do the tile work, we have these little foam spacers to keep the drain up high enough so we can pack mortar underneath it.
So the drain would actually fit in the middle there, then this would slide on and give us our space off the subfloor?
Right.
Okay,
right.
That's what the slit is in there for. Okay.
Okay, the other thing you'll notice is we have the mixing valve seal packaged like this, and we also have the pipe seal, which you'll see in the video.
And here's a baggie full of other components.
We have an installation manual. We have the template for cutting the KERDI. There's also a template for cutting the hole in the floor for the drain. There's a DVD installation video. We have inside and outside KERDI corners. And there's also the plumbing code approvals that we have in this bag. Okay, a certificate of listing so that we have the compliance for the different plumbing codes for both the KERDI and the KERDI drain. They're on that sheet. And then here, like you mentioned earlier, we have a PVC flange with the brushed nickel grate. And that's the 2-inch hookup there for the plumbing. Right. And the final component that's in the box here is the KERDI shower tray. Again, little diagram of it here, 32 by 60. You can see the offset drain. So we'll open this up, Bryant. Pull it out. Good. This is a 2-piece tray. You can see the way it'll hook together here. You see that from the back side. Hold it together. And from the front, ready to go. This, of course, can be cut to size. You just simply score it with, say, a utility knife, and you can snap off the portion you don't need. This is a removable ring that we'll talk about a little later as far as using the tray, and the plumber has already put the drain in place. This, of course, is hard to get underneath
with the drain already just that far off the subfloor, so we'll show you that. So this is the component. You can also add on to this if you need to a little bit, right, Brian?
Right, and this is already pitched, so it's already designed to allow the water to flow towards the drain.
All right, so that's what you'll find in this particular kit, 32 by 60. We do make other kits in other sizes, 48 by 48, 72 by 72. And also, you don't have to buy it in kit form, do you?
Right, you can buy all of these products individually. So you might need a little more KERDI. You can always go back to your supplier and buy more KERDI if your shower is a little larger than this.
Okay, great.